Hi, Assalamualaikum everyone. So today I would like to present our proposed project with the title Smart Can for Visual Impaired Person. So this project for International Action Research Competition 2022 is basically a collaboration between three institutions, two from IHL, one from government sector. So from UC Technical Malaysia Melaka, me myself with Muhammad Afnan Wajdi, Dr. Masul Rizam, Dr. Muhammad Juzaila, and from first our collaborator, Madam Afikah Ilya, and our collaborator from Japan, Dr. Yasutomo Kawanishi. So now I would like to invite Muhammad Afnan Wajdi to continue the presentation.
Moving on to the overview summary or project summary. This project is about a smart blind stick that uses sensor to assist the user. Smart cane is designed to help visually impaired person identify and to avoid an obstacle. A sensor is located on the smart stick to sense and calculate distance from the user to any obstacle. The user will be notified if the distance of the obstacle is short. Moving on to the next part, problem statement. According to World Health Organization (WHO), globally, it is estimated that at least 2.2 billion people have a vision impairment or blindness. Majority of them come from the low-income community. There are many accident cases involving visually impaired person, mostly because of lack of equipment. Low-income person having difficulties to buy expensive supportive equipment. The objective of the project is to develop a smart blind stick that provides support for a visually impaired person, especially to produce a low-cost blind stick for low-income people. And also, the objective is to make visually impaired person be more independent without help of others to walk around. Next, we go to the circuit diagram. On the left side is the breadboard view of the circuit. This is the expected circuit outcome from the project. And the right side is a schematic diagram simulated by using software Proteus. Next, we go to the component of the project. Acting as the brain of the system, I use Arduino Nano instead of common Arduino Uno because of the size of the Arduino. The Arduino Nano is smaller compared to the Arduino Uno, so it consumes less space on the circuit. I want to explain the operation of the project. Of course, on the switch to provide electricity to mainboard. Use the smart cane as normal blind stick. The smart cane will make a noise if it senses obstacle in danger range, which I set to be less than 30 cm. If the obstacle is less than 30 cm, the smart cane will make a noise. The smart cane also will make a noise with different tone if the surrounding is dark. The surrounding is safe if the smart cane doesn't make a noise. The user can continue the walk if the smart cane didn't make a noise. To give you a better understanding about the system, I would like to explain the flowchart of the system. The first one, of course, the start, and then the Arduino Nano will be initialized. The Arduino Nano will check two conditions, the obstacle and the low light. If the obstacle detected in the range of below 30 cm, the blind person will be notified through the buzzer. And also, at the same time, if the low light detected, the blind person also will be notified. If these two conditions didn't detect by the sensor, then the blind person continues to walk, and it will keep continuously checking for the condition. The system will be off only when the user turns off the blind stick. Next, moving on to the next slide. This part will likely to cause the attention of the nature lover, the sustainability. Nowadays, people try to reducing and minimizing the waste produced by the product they use. So, my project is eco-friendly product and long-lasting product, and it is also high durability. The product didn't produce an active waste like a toxic gas or smoke. Next, we go to the marketability of the product. The product is low cost. It is suitable with the objective of the project, which is to provide the low-income person with supportive equipment. And then the product also easy to handle, and it is a very useful product for people in need, especially the blind person. For the last slide, I put the final product of my project. The left side is the circuit, the main circuit, which is almost identical, almost the same with the expected circuit, and the right side is my final product or prototype. So this is the overlook of our products. On off button, power source, Arduino Nano, buzzer, and ultrasonic sensor. This is our project, which is called Smart Cane for Visually Impaired Person. The project consists of ultrasonic sensor, Arduino board, power source, and alarm system. The ultrasonic sensor will detect obstacle ahead and will notify the user through the buzzer system. Let's see how it works. Let's turn on. So when the user uses this stick, when there is an obstacle ahead of them, it will notify the user. Look, it will make a noise so that the blind person knows. Okay, this is to demo the LDR sensor. I am in my room, in a dark room without turning the light on, only using the flashlight camera. Okay, let's turn on this smart cane. As you can hear, it makes a noise with a different tone from the obstacle alarm. Okay, let's see if it detects an obstacle and a dark room, a dark surrounding. There is two different tones which indicate dark room and an obstacle.
Okay, thank you guys for watching NMZH channel. Hopefully you can get knowledge and benefit from the videos. Thank you so much. Assalamualaikum.